This is everything you need to know to hide your TV cables, so you can go from this to this. Hey, I'm Lucas, and this is how to hide TV cables. Let's get into it. To hide your cables behind a plaster wall like this one, use a stud finder to detect any studs and electrical cables so you can avoid them. Next, mark the entry and exit points for your cables. The upper hole should remain hidden behind the TV, while the lower hole should align with the power point. Using a kit like this is great because it comes with a hole saw attachment, which is the same size as the grommet. This means you don't need any power tools. Using the hole saw, twist this into the wall to cut the hole. Okay, so this is called a fish tape, and it's essentially a rod that helps you navigate the cables from one hole to the other. Depending on the distance between your entry and exit points, you may need to join some of them together. Once you have the right length, attach your cable to the eyelet, feed the fish tape through the wall, then simply pull the cable. Now all that's left is to attach our grommet for a clean finish. Plug in your TV and you're good to go. If you're renting or not wanting a permanent solution, then these adhesive covers might be for you. Clean the surface to make sure that the adhesive bonds well with the wall. Measure the length of the wall and cover to see if it needs trimming. If necessary, cut it using a hacksaw or a sturdy pair of scissors. Then peel off this protective layer and stick it on the wall. Use a level to assist in keeping the cover straight. All that's left is to open our hinged cover, place the cables neatly inside, and then snap it shut. And there you have it, multiple ways to hide your TV cables, whether it's permanent or not. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We've got plenty of DIY guides coming your way to help you tackle your next project with confidence.